Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. This is a 4K sample from the new G3 from New Mobile. What do you think about this quality from this $199 phone? A little bit of focus hunting. I'm going to try to lock the focus if I can. How's the quality? How's the audio? This will be a direct upload. We'll check the zoom. Let's check out these plants here. Color reproduction is somewhat accurate. Pretty good. It seems like it's brightening the video up more than it has to. At least through the viewfinder at this point. Let's get some close-up shots here. Kind of see what it's looking like. Yeah, the fact that the phone can actually do 4K is actually pretty decent. Most phones can't even do 4K. So this one has 4 times zoom, looks like. Now, the shakiness is my shaky hand, folks. Yeah. So let's take a walk here. They don't claim to have any stabilization on the 4K recording, but how does it look? Check out the sky. A little bit of focus hunting with the 4K recording from what I can tell. Let me know. It's a kind of a windy day out. It's a tree. Let's take a look at the sign here. Somewhat accurate. It's looking pretty good. Alright, there's an extended look for the new G3 in 4K. Take care.